I woke up like this. It's just so amazing to see how beautiful the nature is. And I'm telling you guys, this is just a part of the season that we have here in Canada. And to tell you honestly, I am enjoying every which this is one of things that makes me busy during this kind of weather. I know it's really crazy when you drive. Mag-ingat lang and cautious on how you drive kasi you can skid anytime. Anyway, this video is all about how from knowing when to tackle that snow piling up outside, mastering the art of scraping sidewalks, clearing off your car, and even fixing the styrofoam recycling dilemma. We got this covered on this video, pero hindi pa yan. We
I'll just gonna
also
get the
dive
shovel.
into the cozy side of winter with some mouth-watering recipes that this recipe is originated from the Philippines. It's a popular main dish, usually served on dinner, but any time of the day it's served. It's called adobo. It's my own version of adobo, so if you like it, then try to do it. I'm telling you guys, it's really good. Spiting sa with homemade chili oil. So try this one. A comforting bowl of aroscaldo. It's perfect for those chilly days like this. And of course, we won't leave you hanging when it comes to dressing for the weather. Discover the ins and out of fashion to stay warm, stylish, and ready to take on whatever the season throws you away. It's all about winter, and if you find these tips helpful or have some winter wisdom of your own, don't forget to drop a comment below. Please guys, let me know. Kasi in my previous video, honestly, I'm just trying hard and harder to make this video meaningful enough for everyone and for me as well.
You wanna do what?
Get to our car.
Okay, just give me a second. I'm just gonna.
Mga bagay na to, when you are actually working out outside like that, you then get much cold. You're actually sweating up inside. And of course, when you have this kind of weather, anticipated every each year, we have this kind of weather. Just wear the proper gear like suit, your winter boots, your pants, you have a jacket. You should be warm for you to be able to work outside, and also especially gloves. The important thing is your foot kasi when your foot it gets cold and everything, your body will get affected and it's really hard to work.
Otherwise, they're gonna be stuck.
This place actually is a blueberry
You know, it's
field that we have here, but
This is
we're
the
closer to
update.
the city of Vancouver. So, and I had to clear up the roof because the snow. It's heavy. I just rebuilt the roof of my patio, but hopefully it's actually holding. It's holding pretty well. So I'm actually proud of myself that I think I built it really strong. And for all those Filipinos sa mga kababayan ko, um, you guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it. And please leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Tell me what you think and tell me more on any suggestion or how I improve myself. So, my background is I'm a cook for 15 years. But I'm trying out some constructions. Everything is new for me. So, everything is new. So, I love to hear from you guys. I'm usually kind of person of you see me doing things, stuff like that. I love to engage. I love to talk. I love to chat. I love people. I love to work. I I'm just enjoying myself. I'm just enjoying everything what I do. So please enjoy the video. I hope you're gonna like it, and if you consider to subscribe, I appreciate it. And sa mga kababayan natin, please support my channel, and I promise you there's so much more to come. That you'll explore Canada. We will explore Canada for sure, and how we make money here, everything else you're gonna see it to this channel.
Madali lang yung chili oil. Luto ko to sa stupper. Meron na rin akong pinainit na tubig. Ito, halos ready na lahat. Lagyan ko na ng tubig. Para pagsalang ko dun sa... Tas 1 cup of rice lang. Konti lang. So, adjust na lang natin mamaya. Ayan. Pakuluin natin, tas isasaling ko siya sa rice cooker, tas magluto tayo ng adobo. Ayan, kumukulo na.
There.
Ganyan lang.
Meron ako dito ingredients. So may sibuyas, may ginger. Gusto ko ng sibuyas sa adobo. Kasi naglalagay tayo ng asukal. Ito, pagka nag-isa mo ng maayos to, matamis to. So baka din ako mag-add ng asukal. Tas ito, may lemon ako. Instead na vinegar. Tas may garlic. Gusto ko naman maraming garlic. Das yung pepper natin.
Buo. Tapos bay leaf. Ang adobo, garlic lang talaga. Yun ang nakasanay. Yun ang walang lagay niya. Yung amoy niya, ang bango. Yeah, ganyan lang. Siya. So that's what we need, and then reduce yung...
This should be fine. I got a hot water here. Sakto lang.
It's freezing here. Gusto ko yung aroma ng fennel. So lalagyan, ito yung ihahalo ko. Pero hindi ko siya iluluto after nung maluto na yung ito. Ito ginagawa ko. Tapos lagyan mo ng asin kung pick mo. Pwede rin. Nasa iyan. Garlic. Good. Okay na siya. Try na natin yung apoy. Kasi yan ito.
May pressure yan.
Kasi pagka...
Pwede na. Konting manok. Tapos lagyan natin ng itlog. Yan.
May lugaw. May adobo. Siyempre may kape. Tapos gumawa ako ng...
It's freezing. It's -6 today. Wow. Look at that.
Ay, guys.
Oh my, ganda. Napakaganda. Pero mamaya nito, pagka tumigil at tumamig, yun, baka ma-stuck na ako sa daan. Front dito ang skid. So, pagka minadali mo, mahirap. Diretso lang. Ko lang makikita mo nagsa-cellphone dito nung nagda-drive. Hopefully should be fine, and that's the worst. I don't know why they are thinking about it. They don't wanna pay fare, pero napakadelikado yan. Hopefully walang pulis. Yan yung motor. That's the best. Ikaw na. Di ba?
diskarte lang pagpasok sa work. May naka-attach akong camera. Pero yan, I'll just gonna hold this camera. Basta straight line lang. Dito tayo magpa-park yan. Siyempre titingin pa rin side dito. Side dito sa camera. So tirahin natin yung gilid para wala akong makapakat na snow. Yun o. At least di ako nakaapak ng snow.
This part is when I get back home after work, after 8-hour shift. So I'm just falling in love with the nature, the way it shapes. It's mesmerizing. Napakagandang tignan at titigan, and you're gonna love it too when you